If you're frustrated because Google Chrome just won't open on your Windows 10 computer, you're in the right place. In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through several proven steps to get Chrome up and running again. And by the end, you'll know exactly what to do if this ever happens in the future. Let's get started and bring your favorite browser back to life. First things first, let's restart your computer. I know, it sounds simple, but a proper restart can fix a surprising number of issues. See, sometimes Chrome gets stuck running quietly in the background, even if you can't see it. Those ghost processes can block new sessions from opening. By restarting your PC, you're essentially telling Windows to close out everything and start fresh. So go ahead and save any work, click Restart, and once your computer is back on, try opening Chrome again. If it works now, great. If not, don't worry. We've got more tricks up our sleeve. Next, let's make sure Chrome isn't being sneaky in the background. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together. That'll bring up Task Manager. If you're new to Task Manager, it's basically like mission control for your PC, showing you every app and process that's running. Look for anything named Google Chrome or Chrome.exe. You might see a whole bunch of them listed. That's totally normal. Go ahead and click on each Chrome process, and then hit End Task. This shuts down any lingering Chrome activity that could be blocking the program from opening properly. Once you've cleared out every Chrome process, try launching Chrome again. Often, this step alone does the trick. If Chrome still won't open, let's give it a little extra permission. Sometimes your computer's security settings can unintentionally prevent Chrome from starting. Here's how to check. Right-click on your Chrome icon, then select Run as Administrator. This runs Chrome with higher privileges, allowing it access to parts of your system that might be restricted. If Chrome opens this time, that's a sign your user permissions were getting in the way. You might want to adjust your user account settings, but at least now you know how to get around the issue when you need to. Still stuck? Let's reset Chrome's user data. But don't worry. We're going to do this without losing your bookmarks. Press Windows plus R to open up the run box and type in this path, %localappdata%/Google/Chrome/user data. Hit Enter, and a folder will pop up. Inside Beam, look for a folder called Default. This is where Chrome saves all your settings. Right-click it, and then rename it to Default Old. You're not deleting anything permanent, just stashing your old settings in a different folder. Now, try launching Chrome again. This basically gives Chrome a fresh start with its settings, which can clear out any corrupted files or settings that might be blocking the program. If none of that works, it's time to pull out the last resort, reinstalling Chrome. Don't worry, this is pretty straightforward. Press Windows plus R again, then type appwiz.cpl and hit Enter. This opens up the Programs and Features tool, where you can uninstall applications. Find Google Chrome in the list, right-click, and choose Uninstall. After that, grab the latest version of Chrome directly from Google's official site at google.com Chrome. Download, reinstall, and open it up. With a clean install, most stubborn problems are gone for good, and that's it. A quick rundown of everything you can try if Chrome just won't cooperate on Windows 10. I hope these steps worked for you. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more help, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back to browsing.